Hello everyone, today I'll be replacing the thermal compound on my Lenovo t440p. I'll begin by removing the batteries followed by removal of the screws. However, that is just what I did not do. As I'll be detaching the heatsink and disconnecting the fan, the battery should not be much of an issue, though it is still good practice to remove the battery first, not only for ESD purposes, but in the event the CPU gets pulled from its socket while removing the heatsink. The thermal compound was not as bad on this machine, but rather the heatsink had dust build up. Unfortunately, I did not get video cleaning the dust from the heatsink. In summary, the cleaning was as simple as blowing some compressed air into the heatsink. While doing so, ensure the fan does not spin, as it could result in failure or damage. Existing thermal compound will need to be removed. I am doing so using a paper towel and 91% isopropyl alcohol. 91% or greater is recommended for electronics.